Hello and welcome back to our YouTube channel. In today's video, we are about to review the top 10 mind-blowing reasons why you absolutely, positively, without a doubt should study Microsoft Excel in the ever-dynamic year of 2024. Trust me, you don't want to miss this. Reason number 1, widespread business use. Excel is the backbone of business operations and it's not going anywhere. Learning it can open doors to a variety of job opportunities. Reason number 2, data analysis. Excel is essential for data analysis. Whether you are in finance, marketing, or any data-driven field, it helps you make informed decisions. Reason number 3, automation. Excel can save you time by automating repetitive tasks. It's a real productivity booster. Reason number 4, financial management. You can use Excel for personal finance, budgeting, and tracking your investments. It's a valuable skill for your financial well-being. Reason number 5, statistical functions. Excel offers a wide range of statistical tools for advanced data analysis. Reason number 6, data visualization. Excel's charts and graphs can turn numbers into compelling visuals to make your presentations stand out. Reason number 7, project management. Excel is crucial for project planning, tracking, and reporting. It's a must for effective project management. Reason number 8, career advancement. Excel proficiency can be the key to better job opportunities and career growth. It's a skill employers highly value. Reason number 9, compatibility. Excel files are universally compatible, making it easy to collaborate with colleagues and clients. Reason number 10, data modeling. Excel can be used to build complex financial models, which is invaluable in fields like finance and consulting. So there you have it, 10 solid reasons why you should study Microsoft Excel in 2024. It's a versatile and powerful tool that can benefit you in various aspects of your personal and professional life. Thanks for watching, and we will see you next time.